Hi everybody, this is Tauntian Company for another apartment visit. Here we are in a little apartment for 1 or 2 person maximum. So this is the entrance door. Just on the left a table where you can sit because it's very close to the kitchen. Here we are, this is a kitchen with a giant fridge with providing with many furnitures. Just here we can see the room, so we're gonna take a look after. I just finished by the living room. As you see, the television, big windows over there, big sofa. There is air conditioning, also ventilation. I'm gonna show you the view, the first view. As you see, directly on the street. Let's continue by the room, who is very comfortable. As you see, a big window, a bed with 2 places. There is a little desk over it. I'm gonna show you the view. It's a pretty street, I mean. We are in a real Vietnamese district. It's very comfortable, as you can see the electricity. So let's continue by the bathroom. Just on the left there is a commodities, when you can put your clothes, many clothes. And the bathroom. Clean, design, soft. Everything what you need. No more. Alright, that's it for this apartment. Thank you.